What if I told you that your tiny, boring balcony could become the most beautiful and relaxing spot in your entire home? Most people look at their small balcony and think, there's just not enough space to do anything. But that's exactly where they get it wrong. The truth is, small spaces have the biggest potential. You just need the right strategy. Imagine stepping outside every morning into your own mini green paradise. Fresh air, calming plants, and a space that feels like a private escape from the chaos of everyday life. No expensive renovations, no professional designers, just a few smart changes that completely transform the vibe. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 balcony garden tips that will turn even the smallest space into a lush, stylish, and functional oasis. These are simple, practical ideas that anyone can follow, even if you've never cared for a plant before. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a clear vision for your balcony, but you'll also feel excited to start creating your own little green sanctuary. So, if you're ready to upgrade your space and fall in love with your balcony every single day, let's get started. 1. Think vertical. Use every inch of space. When working with a small balcony, space is your most valuable asset, and the biggest mistake you can make is only using the floor. Instead, start thinking vertically. Your walls, railings, and even overhead space can become powerful tools to expand your garden. Vertical gardening allows you to grow more plants without overcrowding your balcony. By installing wall-mounted planters, hanging baskets, or tiered shelves, you instantly multiply your planting area. This not only saves space, but also creates a layered, visually stunning effect that feels lush and vibrant. Climbing plants and trailing varieties work especially well here. Plants like pothos, ivy, or string of pearls naturally grow upward or cascade downward, adding depth and movement to your space. This creates that urban jungle look that's so popular right now. Another benefit of vertical gardening is improved plant health. With better airflow and light distribution, your plants are less likely to suffer from pests or disease. You can also get creative, repurpose wooden pallets, install grid panels, or use hanging hooks to customize your layout. Even a simple railing planter can make a huge difference. Combine plants of different heights, colors, and textures to create a dynamic and eye-catching display that makes your balcony feel much larger than it actually is. Choose multifunctional furniture in a small balcony. Every item you bring into the space should have a purpose, or even better, multiple purposes. That's where multifunctional furniture becomes a game changer. Instead of filling your balcony with bulky pieces, choose furniture that works smarter, not harder. For example, a bench with built-in storage can provide comfortable seating while also hiding away gardening tools, pots, or soil. This helps keep your space clean and clutter-free. Foldable tables and chairs are another excellent option. You can easily set them up when you want to relax or enjoy a cup of coffee, then fold them away to free up space when needed. This flexibility makes your balcony feel more open and adaptable. Plant stands can also double as decorative elements. Tiered stands allow you to display multiple plants in a compact area while adding height and structure to your layout. The key is to create a balance between functionality and aesthetics. Choose furniture that complements your overall style, whether it's modern, rustic, or bohemian. Stick to a consistent color palette to make the space feel cohesive and visually larger. Avoid overcrowding. Leaving a little breathing room between items makes your balcony feel more spacious and inviting. 3. Pick the right plants for your light. 1. Of the most important steps in creating a successful balcony garden is choosing the right plants for your specific lighting conditions. No matter how beautiful your setup is, the wrong plants simply won't thrive. Start by observing how much sunlight your balcony receives throughout the day. Is it full sun, partial shade, or mostly shaded? This will determine which plants will grow best in your space. If your balcony gets plenty of direct sunlight, you're in luck. You can grow a wide variety of plants, including herbs like basil and mint, flowering plants like petunias, and even succulents that thrive in bright conditions. For balconies with limited sunlight, don't worry, there are still plenty of great options. Plants like snake plants, ferns, and peace lilies are known for their ability to thrive in low-light environments while still looking lush and vibrant. Grouping plants with similar light and watering needs is another smart strategy. It simplifies your care routine and ensures that all your plants receive the conditions they need to flourish. Rotate your plants occasionally so they grow evenly and don't lean toward the light, keeping your balcony looking balanced and healthy. Use smart containers and creative planters. Containers play a huge role in both the health of your plants and the overall look of your balcony. Choosing the right ones and getting creative with them can instantly elevate your space. Instead of sticking to standard pots, explore unique options like hanging planters, railing boxes, or even recycled containers like jars and wooden crates. These add personality and make your balcony feel more customized and stylish. Lightweight containers are especially important for balconies, as they reduce the overall load and are easier to move around. Materials like plastic, resin, or fabric grow bags are practical and versatile. Self-watering pots are another great investment. They help maintain consistent moisture levels, which is especially useful if you have a busy schedule or tend to forget regular watering. However, no matter what type of container you choose, proper drainage is essential. Without it, excess water can lead to root rot and unhealthy plants. Mix and match different container styles while keeping a consistent color theme to create a cohesive yet visually interesting design. 5. Create a cozy green ambience. A truly transformed balcony isn't just about plants, it's about creating a space where you actually want to spend time. That's where ambience comes in. Start by adding soft lighting, such as fairy lights, lanterns, or solar-powered lamps. These create a warm and inviting atmosphere, especially in the evening. Next, incorporate comfort elements like cushions, throws, or even a small outdoor rug. These details make your balcony feel like an extension of your living space rather than just an outdoor area. Natural materials like wood, bamboo, and stone can enhance the calming vibe of your garden. You can also add decorative touches like wind chimes or small water features to create soothing sounds. The goal is to design a space that feels peaceful, personal, and relaxing, a place where you can unwind after a long day. Keep your design simple and intentional. Too many elements can make a small balcony feel crowded instead of cozy. Transforming your balcony into a beautiful garden doesn't require a lot of space. It just takes creativity and the right approach. Start with one or two of these tips and slowly build your dream space over time. Before you know it, your small balcony will become your favorite place to relax, recharge, and enjoy nature. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a balcony makeover. And remember, big transformations can start in the smallest spaces.